Today we are going to learn how to adjust the font sizes in a PowerPoint presentation using simple keyboard shortcuts and a few on-screen controls. The process begins by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you launch the application as you normally would from your desktop or start menu. Once the program is running, you should see the familiar welcome screen or the last presentation you are working on. If you are working on an existing project, open the specific presentation in which you want to modify the text. After your presentation is open, navigate to the slide that contains the text you want to adjust. Take a moment to review your slide layout before proceeding, ensuring that you have identified the text area that needs a size change. Next, position your cursor over the text box that contains your text. It is important that you double-click on the text. This double-click not only places the text box into editing mode, but also ensures that you can see any additional editing options that become available. Once you have double-clicked on the text, be on the lookout for a small dialog box that appears next to the text box. This dialog box is designed to give you quick access to font-related adjustments. It is typically neatly positioned near the text for convenience, allowing you to make rapid modifications without having to navigate through multiple menu options. The appearance of this dialog box indicates that the text is now in a mode that allows for easy editing and formatting. Within this handy dialog box, you will notice two letters in the form of icons that represent the font size modifications. One icon displays a smaller letter A, while the other shows a larger letter A. These icons are intuitive and clearly indicate their function. If you wish to increase the font size of your selected text, simply click on the icon featuring the larger letter A. This action will immediately enlarge the text, ensuring that your presentation is more readable or better suited to your design requirements. Conversely, if you need to decrease the font size, you would click on the smaller letter A, though this tutorial is focused on adjusting font size using the provided on-screen options. The process is both quick and efficient once you are familiar with the dialog box controls. This method is especially useful when you are under time constraints, or when you prefer using keyboard shortcuts and direct control elements rather than combing through complex menus. Since the dialog box only appears when you double-click on your text, it helps maintain a clutter-free interface while offering powerful editing capabilities. As you continue to work on your presentation, remember that these steps help you make precise adjustments to your text, ultimately improving the overall design and visual impact of your slides. By mastering this simple technique, you can save time and ensure that your audience will have an easy time reading and engaging with your content. For more guides and tutorials on enhancing your presentation skills, you might explore resources available on Double. Enjoy designing your presentation with this efficient approach to modifying font sizes in PowerPoint.